Have you ever imagined a fox sleeping in a backyard of your house? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And you are most welcome in the brand new episode of Animals Flying, Humans Quarantine. In this episode, I have created an image where in London, fox is sleeping in the backyard of a house which looks so damn pretty. So I just tried to add some pinch of imagination in it and created this whole picture. So I just hope you like this video. Please go ahead and have a look. I just hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. And for every new uploads, don't forget to tune in to my channel every Wednesday and Sunday. Till then, see you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye.